All right, time now for Great Day Law. Each month, we like to check in with lawyer Twillie, an attorney and owner of LA Law, for some legal advice. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
So good to see you.
Nice to
Great
see
to see you guys, too.
In your Alan Edmonds shoes.
And your Alan
And my
Edmonds
Alan Edmonds shoes.
The viewers can't see them, but apparently they're both very nice shoes, and you enjoyed. Oh, yeah, there we go.
They're beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous.
You got to trust a lawyer if you like his shoes. No, I'm just kidding. No, you got an email recently, and I know so many of you at home are always wondering, well, what's it going to cost me? But you got it was someone who wrote you and said, I was injured in an accident, but don't want to take a small settlement. If I hire a firm and want my case to go to trial, does the fee go up?
And the quick answer is usually not. Certainly with a straight personal injury case, like a car accident or a dog bite or something like that, it doesn't go up. But if it's a workers' comp case, then the fee can go up from like 20% to 25%.
Now, you don't have to pay for your services, is that right? You only get paid if you win the case. Is that correct?
Correct. Yes. We only get paid. We work on what's called a contingency fee basis, and we only get paid if we're able to help our clients recover money for their injuries. So with a personal injury case, that's a third on a sliding scale, and for a workers' comp case, it's generally 20% with no sliding scale, just a straight 20%. But if you have to try the case in a workers' comp, it could jump up to like 25%. And
that's because the fees of obviously how long it takes you to file the court documents and keep the case. But the bottom line is, if you're worried, like, I don't think I can afford a lawyer, it's free to start. It's free for the representation. It's all of that. It's just if you get a settlement, that's when the money gets paid?
Correct. You're getting essentially free legal representation. The attorneys are fronting the costs. And generally, we're not going to take a case if we don't think we can win that case. So the only time we get paid is if we're able to help our clients recover money for their injuries.
Now, I think it's interesting is I would think that you would recoup more if you hired an attorney than as if you just went on your own. Is that the case?
That's actually, I'm glad you brought that up, because that is the case. There was a research study done over 20 years ago, about 20 years ago, that said that once you hire an attorney, you can get up to 3 times more money by hiring. I think it was like 3.1% or 3.3% times more money in your pocket if you hire an attorney.
Wow.
And we've had cases where we've gotten 70 or 80%. Or 80 times more.
80 times more.
Yeah, we've had several where it's like, hey, they tried to handle it on their own. They got an offer from the insurance company, tried to negotiate it. Then they hired us when they weren't happy with the offer. And in one in particular, we got 80 times more money than their offer, than they got on their own.
Right.
30 times, 20 times. I mean, it always
and the percentage
is in your
of much more. It's still...
It's significantly more.
Significantly more.
Yeah. So, and the other thing is you just, you need someone to have your back, especially if you've been through an injury like this and you don't know what you're doing. It's very stressful and very time consuming. So you can go do your life and you can work on getting better.
Yes.
And you're going to handle all those details.
Correct.
Because it can be like encompassing your whole life if you try to do this yourself.
And you want to win.
Yeah, we're going to win.
They don't get paid if they don't win.
We're going to win.
If you don't win, then you guys at home don't owe any money, right?
Don't owe any money at all. Yes. We're going to win.
That's pretty remarkable.
And the other thing is, I know some people will say, oh, I'm not that person. I don't want to be, a quote-unquote ambulance chaser. But that's not what you're doing. When you have a legitimate case and you should be able to made whole to get back on your feet, it's not wrong to hire a lawyer. It's just protecting yourself.
Yeah, it's protecting yourself. And when I set out to start my own business, I did not want to be that guy.
Right.
So not the ambulance chasing guy. I just want to make sure that my clients are made whole, really. And at the end of the day, get the best treatment possible so that they're healthy and happy.
Okay, to contact lawyer Twillie, visit lalawct.com. You can also follow Facebook at lalawct or on Facebook, facebook.com/lalawct. What's the phone number?
860-595-3163 or 844-GET-LA-LAW.
Get LA Law, there you go. All right, Kara, we're going to time to head you on over to Studio A, but coming up tomorrow on Great Day in Connecticut, an easy home upgrade at a fraction of the cost, how you can get a brand new bathroom in just days. Plus, a great new children's book that is helping to bring some much-needed attention to a local animal-assisted therapy center. We're talking with the author. And floral arrangements for beginners. We're going to try to make one and tell you how you can take a class yourself. That's all coming up tomorrow on Great Day at 3. Eyewitness News at 4 with Kara Sunland starts right now. Good to see you, Laura.
Great to see you, man.
Pleasure. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks
too.
for tuning in.